Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we'll be discussing the differences between LifeShield and SimpliSafe home security systems, and which of the two is the best option for your home. But before we look at the features that differentiate these two home security systems, let's first do a quick overview of these two home security systems. LifeShield. Overview. LifeShield, a home security system, is considered the pioneer home security system that offers reliable DIY home security systems. Systems that have allowed homeowners to customize or configure their home security systems in a way that works best for them. Although there is a limit in selecting their security equipment, and you cannot reach their customer support 24/7, the system does give you professional-level monitoring services, a 12-month warranty, and it's also compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon's Alexa. SimpliSafe. Overview. The SimpliSafe home security system is the other solid and top-rated home security system, and although their prices have been inching upwards monthly, their security system offers more flexible products and services. It's also versatile and easy to use. SimpliSafe is easy to install. It allows for Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity, and there are no contracts involved. But the indoor camera is surprisingly underwhelming. SimpliSafe also works with Amazon Alexa, IFTTT, and Apple Watch. LifeShield versus SimpliSafe. Features offered. LifeShield features. LifeShield is an excellent home security service offering the best and strong line of defense that suits families in homes and condos. The system is quite functional with a base station that's the most vital point. The base point is designed to incorporate the traditional landline system and the high-speed internet connectivity, and your preferred communication network through the cellular link. This three-way connection system is the preferred choice for all homes, and a system that offers the best level of security because not even burglars can break through or disable the connections. A very robust monitoring station controls all the connections, and in case of a prolonged blackout, the system is also backed by a backup battery for extra support to the console. In addition to this air-gapped and backed-up system, LifeShield also features a large set of set-out sensors and alarms. With these, you can easily fit the sensors and alarms to your door contacts and windows, or you may want to hide the sensors in the dark corners. And if you're wondering if the sensors would just go off whenever anyone, including members of your household, are moving close to the sensors, because the sensors are made of infrared, you will be happy to know that there will be no awkward or false alarms. The infrared sensors are too advanced for these false alarms. And on top of these, the LifeShield home security system enables preparation and protection from the harshness of Mother Nature. The reason for this is that the company provides environmental detectors too. These detectors include flood sensors, heat, and carbon monoxide sensors. SimpliSafe features. SimpliSafe is one of the biggest innovators in home security, and they boast great ideas. And it's fitted with unique and elegant features. The home security system is designed in a slim, ergonomic design, which means that you can place the system anywhere in your home without worrying about aesthetics. Its base console is like a slick lamp, but don't let this fool you. The system hides behind an elegant array of home security features, like the backup battery and the 85 decibel alarm siren. Unlike LifeShield, SimpliSafe only uses the cellular technology system, and you wouldn't have to worry about tangled up and unsightly wires. The base console also manages an extensive array of sensors that connect to a maximum of 41 alarms. Comparison table. From this table, it's clear that LifeShield offers more packages and even features than SimpliSafe, and that makes LifeShield a great option for most people. The SimpliSafe home security system is pretty neat too. Similarities. In addition to the backup batteries, these home security systems are also fitted with a security pad, which is a favorite because it allows for scheduling different home alarm settings, day and night. Using the keypad, you can also engage other sensors like the image, standard motion sensors, pet-sensitive sensors, and gas or fire detectors. The best part of these systems and devices are all connected, and you'll receive a constant notification stream through your smartphone app. Verdict: LifeShield or SimpliSafe? LifeShield and SimpliSafe both offer complete home security services, since they have dependable and high-performance base stations that will repel and withstand all manner of criminal attacks. Both companies offer many alarm accessories that you will need for your home, and you will like them a lot. Between the two, we recommend LifeShield over SimpliSafe. LifeShield offers more cameras and additional environmental detectors, and many security plans to choose from. That said, SimpliSafe could be a good option for you if you're looking for a self-monitoring security system. That's all we have time for today. Thanks for watching.